Scientists finally think they know where the most dangerous part of this U.S. earthquake zone is, and it's bad news for Washington. Business Insider. Scientists just released the first comprehensive survey of the Cascadia subduction zone, the most dangerous earthquake-producing fault in the U.S. Below are your comments. It has been known to be very dangerous for some time now. Potentially great news. Seattle is long overdue for a good Emma. Good prediction. Something will happen somewhere. Scientists finally think lately. I'm beginning to believe this less and less. My realtor told me my land in Arizona will soon be oceanfront property. Please subscribe to my channel. And if you like it, please thumbs up.